Mike Hughes here. I'm at St. George's Caye Resort, and I'm here with Barry. And you want to tell us a little bit about your resort?
I'd be very happy to. It's a small, exclusive dive resort in Belize, on Belize's most historical island, which is St. George's Caye, named after King George of England. And we've been in business for over 30 years and take people diving, snorkeling, all kinds of water sports. And what makes us unique is you get a private island experience. We're the only commercial interest on the island. It's small, no cars, no roads, no golf carts or loud things except for our boats. And we'd love for anyone to come and check us out, come be with us.
Now, how many visitors do you have at a time on the island?
30 to 35 is considered sold out to us, so there's never large numbers of people. And again, we're the only ones, so you don't have to contend with foot traffic or anything from other places. And people tell us that the reason they pick us is because we're considered off the grid. That they feel like they're a long way away on vacation, and yet they have all the amenities of a resort. But it's we call it rustic elegance.
But you also charter out to places on the grid too.
Absolutely.
Islands around you.
Our location is very unique because we're just 20 minutes by fast boat from Belize City, where the international airport is. So when our guests come, we pick them up at the airport and we take them to the Caye. It's a fairly short boat ride, and then once they get there, they settle in and do whatever that they would like to do, a little or a lot.
A little or a lot. Is it usually Saturday to Saturday, or how do they come, or just anytime?
They pretty much come and go throughout the week and months, and
because you're so close to the mainland.
We're very close, and all the dive sites are very, very close to us, 20 minutes or so by boat, and we're the only ones out there. So
how many dive sites do you have around there?
Hundreds. We have hundreds.
So you're not going to say definitive, right?
No, it's really kind of unlimited. And then we're also very close to some of the really exotic dive sites like Turnef Island, Atoll, and the Blue Hole, which is something that many divers would like to go and experience. Also, the location's great. We take tours over to Ambergris Caye, to the mainland, where they can visit Mayan ruins and cave tubing zip lining, cultural tours, nature walks, and they can do all that within a day. Get back to the island and settle in and enjoy dinner.
Oh, good. Okay, and so if they want more information about you?
Oh, yes. All they have to do, they can look us up online. It's BelizeIslandParadise.com. That's our webpage, and we also have a Facebook page and social media, Instagram. We'd just love for you to check us out.
Cool. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
You know, I probably should say, what's the most popular dive site around the island?
Well, the most popular dive sites are very close by, but I would say probably as far as the exotic dive sites, for many divers, the Great Blue Hole is certainly on
number one.
List.
Seems to be that way for everyone.
And it is a fun dive. The two dives after it are really spectacular at Lighthouse Reef and a site called the Aquarium, if that tells you anything.
Right.
So it's very beautiful. There is a commitment to get there. It's 67 miles, and we can get there from our place in about 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
If you're doing the Blue Hole.
Yes,
but the rest of the sites are right off the reef.
Yes, sir. We take off and do the 2 tanks in the morning and leave at 8 a.m. from the resort. Go out and they make their first tank. We'll anchor and then move the boat, do the surface interval on the boat, make the second tank dive, and they're back into the resort for lunch.
Cool.
And if they want to dive in the afternoon, we'll go back out at 2 o'clock for a 1 tank. And then if they wanted to night dive, we can take them night diving. And so you could do 4 dives in a day if you wanted. We also have nitrox diving and a full dive team.
Oh, I think we got everything now.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Thank you very much.
It's great to share with you, Mike.